Mommy's working. I'm recording a video. No, you can't just sit and play your guitar out here. This is, you guys, this is real life right now. Hey there. Whoa. Hey there, it's Olivia. If you're new here or you haven't already, please give that subscribe button some love and make sure you turn on that little bell so you're notified when new videos go live. What you doing, Munchkin? This is our morning. We're all just chilling, eating some breakfast. Oh, she's getting crazy. Even Nova's here. What's up, boo? So I am getting all nourished up for the day. Ate breakfast, drinking my tea. It's kind of a lot I want to do today. We'll see what happens, but definitely want to record. I haven't told you guys. So what I decided to do, this might seem like really random, but just bear with me. But what I decided to do with my business is take away 2 of my programs, which is Self-Love Made Simple and Beyond the Bad. I decided, you know what, Beat the Bad, which is my signature program, needed like an update. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna update that program and combine elements of the other 2 in there, because honestly, like they fit in so beautifully. And so now it has, Beat the Bad has like 3 phases, which is, you know, self-love, self-control, and self-ownership. So self-love is kind of from Self-Love Made Simple, self-control is from Beat the Bad, and self-ownership is from Beyond the Bad. And oh my gosh, the 3 of those together, I'm so excited. So what I want to try to do today is maybe get some of the workbooks built out and then also record some of the modules, and I'll bring you along with what that looks like because it's looked pretty funny here. I'm going to show you a clip that I took from a video on my phone the other day because Paige was napping behind me and I was like, I'm making this happen. So you can't see her like in the video module, but she's totally dead asleep behind me. Okay, so I am getting ready to film and I'm cleaning up, and I made this cool little system with Piper that she's working on. Let me show you really quick. So what are we doing, Piper?
I'm doing everywhere. So I'm doing the sides first, and then I'm going to scribble inside the part.
Okay, so you're going to do one side what color?
With the red.
Uh-huh, and then what's going to be on the other side?
Green.
And then what are we going to do with that?
We are going to flip it over.
Mm-hmm. So basically, when I'm filming, I'll be outside the bedroom door and I'm going to slide the red card underneath the door so they can see red paper and they don't leave the bedroom. And then when I'm done filming, I'll flip it over and I'll slide the green card under. And that way they know they can leave. So this is my strategy. This is how we're going to communicate, make it fun like a game, and I'm going to get some work done. Also, guys, the house, like when there's a project happening, the house just becomes chaotic. And so basically I'm sitting over there to film and you can only see so far, so I just kind of make sure that everything in the frame of the camera looks clean. like with this table, you only see this corner of the table, so shove everything over. This is literally how I used to do product photography. Like, the set would look like complete chaos and a total mess, but the photo would look super clean and superb. Brilliant.
What's that?
Popcorn!
For me?
For you! I'm so curious, let me know in the comments, when you need to get something done, do you just kind of like give up if the circumstances aren't right? Or do you go into like full problem solver mode? Because I always go into full problem solver mode because I'm typically pretty determined. I'm like, I want this to happen, I'm gonna make this thing happen, and I'm gonna make it happen no matter what. Alright, she's still coloring, so I'm gonna get set up, but oh, I can't do it with that hand. I set up this ring light in the back of my desk, which is just perfect. Although I can't wear these glasses. I don't know if I've shown this on the vlog before, but hold on. I can't wear these glasses because that. I've got my notes here. let's just hope that this doesn't happen. I'm doing like a screen record situation. I'll show you that once it loads. And I clip him on like that. And then we got some cleaner audio besides what my computer's just gonna pick up. Did you just do one green scribble on the... Oh, nice! You did the polka dots! Sweet.
Here you go.
Thank you for this card. I will use it accordingly. Do you guys want to take waters in there?
Yep. Can you help me?
Yeah, hold on. I always feel like I'm setting them up for like an overseas trip, but really I'm just trying to keep them from coming out of the room. Ta-da! So this is what my modules look like. Welcome to Jurassic Park. And then down here, I'll show you guys really quick. I have like 3, I can probably put these on the couch behind me because you won't see them, but I have like 3 shirt changes because I care, apparently. I stopped recording, but Piper made a comment. She's like, but you're not going to change your pants. No, I'm not. I'm not going to change my pants. Just going to sit here and change my shirt. We're going to see if I can get 3 videos in. That would mean an hour and a half of recording, which would mean a lot of cooperation. But that would be great because this, oh my gosh. Get in your room.
No.
Hold on. Okay. Because I've got 5 more. 5 more down there videos to record. This is filming workbook and podcast episodes for each module. I did make this. All right, my loves, you ready?
Yeah.
Love you, girls. Try to stay quiet and be kind to each other, all right?
Okay, we're gonna be quiet.
Okay, love you.
Bye.
Don't. You can't take it. I have to be able to flip it. There you go. Leave it right there. Gonna make sure I have water at the ready. Do you hear that? Speaking of quiet, I do have to put my phone on Do Not Disturb and silent. I have a timer up while I'm recording so I can see how long that module is because I'm trying to make these modules 20 to 30 minutes because at an hour they will... Oh, I think it was overwhelming my students. Okay, go get these necklaces. I'm gonna start recording. Have a good relationship with health. In this module, hello? Excuse you? The card is red. You cannot exit. Is the card red?
Yeah.
You have to stay in your room.
No.
Yes. Mommy's working. I'm recording a video. No, you can't just sit and play your guitar out here. This is, you guys, this is real life right now. Hey, we had an agreement. We had an agreement, kiddo. Come on. Come on. You gotta stay in your room while Mommy's recording, okay? And if you're really good, maybe you'll get a surprise. But you gotta stay in your room. Sissy can help you with it. Ask Sissy. Hey, Paige. Paige. Honey, if the card's red, you have to stay. You can't open the door, okay? Means no opening the door. If it's green, then you can come out. But if it's red, you gotta stay. Okay? Well, thank goodness it was at the beginning. Gratitude nugget. Let's start that over again. Oh my gosh. Okay, module number 5, 30 minutes. There you go. Almost on the nose. Go me, go me. All right, that was awesome. The kids sound like they're playing, so I think I'm gonna change my shirt and go into the next module because if I could get another one done, that would be sweet. Let's go ahead and down. I went to go change my shirt. Should I just go for the light one then? Sorry. Oh my gosh, I have to cut in a clip. The kids just ran out at the very end of my module because they really had to pee and it was hilarious. So I'm gonna check this box off. Look at that. 3 more videos. job. Okay, I'm gonna show you that video. Hold on. Explore opportunity and take the next step. Oh, kids busting out the room right at the end of the module. Hold on, I'm almost done.
I'm meeting a party, all of us.
Go for it. Go for it. You can go for it. You're free to go. I'm gonna own this opportunity to end this module and be super real and own what's happening in the situation, that my kids have to pee and they've been shut in a room for a while. So that is it for this module. I'm gonna record one more video, which will leave me with 2 left that I can do later tonight. So I think I'm gonna record one more, set the children free, and then I think we're gonna go out to the park to like decompress for a bit. And then after the kids go to bed tonight, Jim has more work to do, and I'm gonna record these last 2. Boom! I'm so excited. Guys, I just want to take a moment to tell you that, like, persevere. You know, like, make things work, problem solve, find the opportunities, like how I made, you know, them staying in their room a game, and just have fun with stuff. Like, honestly, I was just teaching, this is why it's like on my heart, but I was just teaching the module 6 in Beat the Bad, which is owning opportunity. And it's just this matter of shifting your perspective and never seeing anything as a dead end and seeing everything as a detour, and being able to you know, pivot and to not let anything stop you and hold you back from pursuing what you want, doing the things you want, being who you want, like all of those things. And this is just an example of that. So thank you for hanging in here with me throughout the nonsense of this vlog. But you know, it's a cool thing to be able to show you guys what this looks like behind the scenes, what this looks like in practical application. It's not always the smoothest or the prettiest, but that's the point. Life doesn't look perfect, and it doesn't have to look perfect in order to be happy. So I'm excited. I don't know if you've noticed, but like I'll like switch up my hair in between modules. Like, who am I trying to kid? I'm like, oh, it's just every other day. I just change it up. I think I'm probably just gonna leave my hair down, but I'm very excited to get these done recorded. Oh, so excited. Okay, okay. Real talk. It stopped recording in the middle. Well, I'm gonna choose to see this as an opportunity to refilm this module because the kids screamed a lot. They got out to use the bathroom and they were screaming and they were fighting during this one. So I am going to delete it. And I will re-record it. Sometimes stuff happens, you guys, and you just have to roll with it. That's just the way it is. It's okay. I don't get the check mark. I really wanted it, but it is what it is. Hey, psst. Future Olivia here. Future Olivia from 12:27 p.m. tonight, okay? I just want you to know that even though chaos ensued today and I wasn't able to get things done, I had to refilm, I freaking did it. All the videos are filmed for the modules. All I have now is the like bonus video and the welcome video, and that is it. And making the workbooks, but I just had to pop in from the future and share that with you because I was super pumped. Okay, we can go like back to the vlog now. Bye. Paige got really upset because she really wants out of the room. Are you ready for this moment? Look at the paper. It's green. You're trying to get out now?
Yeah.
You excited?
Super high in there. We just watched the shark video.
Yeah. Thank you guys for being so insanely patient. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment below and tell me what you loved about the video and what you'd love to see more of. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. As always, you keep saying Simply Awesome. I'll keep saying SimplyOli. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.